Running in the rain cause I feel so much pain. Running through my vein like I'm going up insane. Relax like a dynamite, like I'm about to blow. But I keep it on the low, with every step I take it slow. You probably think it's a joke when I'm puffing out the smoke. Chilling with them dope boys, sniffing coke. In the 24th century, took away so much injury. Thought it's a new edge, but it feels like a cage. So every time I'm angry, I keep staring through the window, standing still like a scarecrow with my eyes on the city. I'm looking for something pretty, I don't know what it is, but I gotta keep on searching till I find it, I'll be kicking.